creamy, roasted rosemary potatoes. So the first tip I think everyone should know is when you're boiling your potatoes, whether it's for mashed potatoes or anything, which today we're going to make my 2-ingredient creamy, roasted rosemary potatoes, you should start them in a pot of cold water.
Like shapes and sizes,
Yes.
always start potatoes with cold water.
Cold water, do not start the pot boiling and then add the potatoes. Why? You want the potatoes to cook evenly, and if you put them into hot water, just the outside's gonna cook and then the inside's gonna be tough, and that's not
And they're
gonna
all
be
gonna have
great.
different cooking times
Yeah.
if you're peeling and dicing a potato.
Exactly. So I like to drop them in, turn up the heat, throw in some rosemary, and let it boil. And then you're just gonna go for fork tender there.
Gotcha.
Now, it depends actually on what you're making, but I like to go for fork tender because we're gonna roast these. And sometimes people just put these in the oven and not boil them, and I think that you get hard nuggets. But when you boil them and infuse some moisture in there, we all know the oven likes to dry things out, you're gonna get that creamy, you know, texture that you really want from your potatoes. It's kind of like eating roasted mashed
So, Son,
potatoes.
do you roast these at a high temp then?
About 400, 425.
You
Okay.
can really smell the rosemary in
Yeah,
there. mean, it
I
is
love putting
redolent.
aromatics in. When
It's just a real good way to like make sure you're getting all of the flavor in, and it's a really quick. I'm gonna make a mess, just wait for it.
She's getting a little of the excess liquid off.
Yeah. Happens all the
Oh,
time.
he lost one.
Almost.
I
It's
like
back.
to let them kind of like steam a little bit, and then I'll hit them in the actual pot with some olive oil, a nice pinch of salt. Don't worry,
Potatoes love
don't worry.
salt.
They need it. They need it. Trust me. Some pepper.
Potatoes really suck up salt.
They really do.
They do.
They suck up flavor. They're like the vanilla of Mother Nature. Move it. Oh, okay. I'm telling jokes, y'all.
No,
I did it.
That's
go.
what we love, son.
All right, so then roll this out. Parchment, you're gonna get it into the oven. Just 20 minutes. You've already boiled them, so they're kind of already cooked. You're just going for crisp and roasty.
Gotcha.
And more rosemary.
Yeah, and more rosemary onto the tray. So Rachel's gonna throw that in.
I will.
You gotta cold water when you boil your potatoes, especially for that potato salad. Because you hate to have a nugget of hard potato in the center.
The
You know
worst,
what I mean?
the worst.